Welcome to today's episode of Rule of Thumb. Today's project is unclogging this vanity drain. At the beginning of the video, you could see that there was standing water in the sink. So what we have to do is got to get a bucket, and then we're going to loosen up these nuts, and we're going to get this Ptrap off of there. You, of course, want to make sure you do that slowly because otherwise it's going to make one big mess. So have some towels ready because there's likely going to be water, but I just loosened the nuts a little bit, and the water started dripping out. Now that that's all removed, you can see what we revealed here. And it's a bunch of hair and gunk and everything else that goes down the drain. But what it did is it actually attached to the drain stop. So here I'm trying to pull the stuff down and it's just all tangled and knotted on that. So what I got to do is I got to go up. But it turns out we didn't drain all the water, so we got to do that first. So between that drain stop and the mechanics of operating that drain stop is just a rod in there and everything gets caught on it. It's such a terrible design. My suggestion is getting rid of the drain stop. There are so many drain stop hair catching devices you can buy in the market. It's just unreal. And it just makes so much more sense. Now let me pause the video quick here and we're going to take a look at this. This is the little metal rod that goes into the drain and actually operates your drain stop. So of course we have to reinstall that even though we're not using that drain stop anymore. Hope this helps. Let me know what we can further explain for you.